This wig here was created to solve the problem for all the ladies that love to wear their sew-ins. You're tired of your leave out breaking off from trying to blend and blend and blend. The wig is very simple. It's to give a true sew-in illusion, no heat damage, no leave out, no stress. It gives a natural blend that actually makes sense in real life. You don't have to worry about your hair separating from the extensions, especially in 2026 summer if it's hot. So if you love the look of a good sew-in but don't want to sacrifice your leave out, design was made with you in mind. Let me introduce you to the hybrid leave out Yaki Silky Wig. Hi everyone, welcome back for today's video. I am so excited to bring this video to you guys because this is such an innovative wig. If you're new here, my name is Marie. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, girl, because you don't want to miss out. You can join as a member and become a Pressure Squad member for exclusive videos, badges, chats, maybe live, the raw version of me. But anyways, today's wig comes from RPG Show. We are going to get into the unboxing. I'm going to show you guys how to style it. I'm going to show you guys how to install it. This wig was created to solve one of the biggest problems with wearing wigs. The all silky look is fine, but it gives wig a lot of times for us. This innovation features two intentional textures: Yaki to mimic naturally pressed hair, and silky strands to give the illusion that you just added some hair extensions in there, girl. Each texture blends so seamless that it just looked like it's growing from the scalp. And as you go through the video, you will see, even in sunlight, how seamless the hair blends together. The contrast is soft, realistic, and designed to replicate how real sew-ins look when the natural hair is left out over top. So all of my girls, your hair can take that break it needs when all that blending is just damaging your hair. This wig will be the most popular style in 2026. I promise. Today's style is my invention with RPG Show, and this is the first wig that actually mimics leave out, half yaki, half silky. So out the box, this is what the wig looked like. It comes pre-curled. It comes with a lot of things that you can use to install your wig. I will be sure to link it below in the description box for you guys, so be sure to check down there. This is also a drawstring wig, so you can wear it glueless. You do not need to glue it down if you want convenient style. Let's get into all the details. I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about today's style. Alright, so this is how much of the leave out that you get. All this texture right here is yaki, soft yaki. It kind of reminds me of when you go and get a relaxer and then a nice silk press. This is the silky part of the hair, so this is how much silkiness you get. You can see for yourself that it is a body wave texture, which I love the body wave texture for this. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and style it, add layers, shorter layers to the top part of the hair. If it's going to be like a fake sew-in, I want it to flow shorter than the actual hair and then blend in. You were to get your tracks put in the back, and then all of this is your hair left out. You can really make it look as beautiful as you want to. You can make it mimic your sew-in so well. That is the beauty of the hybrid leave out yaki silk wig. You can take this, customize the front to look like your natural hair because it has texture, and then the back, of course, just look like you just went and got a fresh sew-in put in. And this is perfect for anyone who wants to save their natural leave out, okay? Because we all know leaving your natural hair out all the time, trying to blend it with all those silky textures is killing it. You want to give your hair a break? Girl, this wig is it. So we're going to add some layers. For all my members, if you would like me to do a detailed tutorial on how to layer, drop me a comment. I'm going to go ahead and add some curls to the back of the hair. I'm going to take this curler, which also has a cool down button to make sure the hair doesn't get overheated. And because I want to protect it, I'm going to use this. I love the quality of the hair. Both the yaki texture and the silky texture is 10 out of 10. That's why I've upgraded my curler to this, because I found that it's better for the hair. T3 is really good, but lately I've just been feeling like I've been using that for years, and I just really want to protect my investments when it comes to these wigs. I don't want them to dry out so fast. So this gives me that control. Make a perfect Christmas gift. All right, you can see the quality in the silky texture. Gorgeous, right? Nice and bouncy. Take this hair. Look at the texture, y'all. So pretty. So pretty. Look at that curl. And this is the yaki texture part of the hair. It's blending very seamlessly with the silky texture. So it's not like a crazy difference. You're not gonna have to keep blending over and over again. It's actually made to blend better than your natural hair, and that's why it's a protective style. Plus, there's a lot of ladies that feel like the sew-ins look more natural than wigs. That's where the install is gonna come in for this wig, and I'm gonna show you that in a second. Let's get this install going. Already, it's a perfect fit around the ear. Because this is a drawstring wig, you can wear it glueless, and I love that. So convenient, a true protective style without any glue. Take this string right here and just pull, take the comb and insert it underneath your wig cap. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this extra lace around the hairline. If you have any more questions I didn't answer in today's video, you can drop a comment below. And by the way, I'm cutting the lace all the way back. What the hairline looks like on today's wig, it's not glued down. Another question I'll probably get is, will the texture set? Oh, that's so pretty. That is so, look at that. This texture get tangled or whatever. No, this hair is super soft. When I tell you it's silky, even the yaki texture feels like butter, but you can still feel the texture. I have so much body, and the yaki texture curls really good. Like, look at how much bounce there. Of how the textures blend. This wig is true perfection if you are wanting a protective style for your leave out. You want to give your hair a break, but still get that salon quality. Like, I just stepped out the salon, got a fresh sew-in. Girl, like, I love the texture because it makes the wig believable. Blended textures like this, okay? People will be like, okay, she only got some extensions in the back and that's it. Because your texture is there. You know, when you don't have any texture, it's just all silky, is unbelievable. So you are a sew-in girly that wants to give your leave out a break, this is definitely the wig that you need in your wig closet. You can even take it to your stylist and get them to layer it up for you really well. You don't have to worry about it poofing up on you. You know how when your hair gets in cold weather or even just a little bit of moisture just poofs it right on out. Your natural hair don't blend anymore. You don't have to worry about that. Like, I absolutely love it. And if y'all love it, of course, you know they're going to bring more colors. It's a 10 out of 10. This is another style from my collection. It was a great idea. This is, again, the hybrid leave out yaki silk wig. It will be linked below in the description box. Be sure to check down there. I'm going to take you guys in the sunlight so you can see the texture right quick.